ourselves to get calmer and concentrate by putting our dwylo gyda ei gilydd a llygaid ar gau, putting our hands together and closing our eyes. Thank you, Jesus, holy friend, for the love, care, peace and joy you send. Help us learn to love and live in truth in Brynhyfryd Primary School. Yes, the adglwydd clywed, diolch am ffrindiau ym Brynhyfryd. Helpon ni am opeth ni'n wneud, bob dydd a phob eiliad. Amen. Dydd Gwener hapus and a happy Friday, everybody, pawb. Well, it's the last day of our spring term in 2021, and what an unusual year we have had. We've been in and out of lockdown and in and out of school. We've launched our new school website. We've started learning at home with Dojo portfolios. I've started sharing our Brynhyfryd Connected Assemblies. We've celebrated St David's Day, supported Comic Relief. What a busy start to 2021. Well, your teachers are going to be sending you an empathy activity to try over Easter, and I've heard that some of our younger classes might actually notice a visitor in the distance in the yard at some point. Now I wonder, who could that be? Could it be anything to do with the fact we've got Easter holidays coming up? Well, after the Easter break, we're going to be trying out a new way of celebrating together, live online, in school on a Friday. So if we don't have any more lockdowns, this could be the last Brynhyfryd Connected Assembly that I post. But before we end our assembly today, I've got quite a few more things to share with you. So stay tuned. Oh my goodness, what a lot of birthdays this week. We've had 2 members of staff, Mr. Jones and Miss Jones in year 2, and then an awful lot of children. This has been a really busy week for birthdays. So we've got in reception Miss Byner's class, happy birthday Pembroyd, hapus Rudy. We have got in year 4 Mrs. Jones' class, our Leah and Mason M. Happy birthday to you. In year 4 Mrs. Thomas Davis class, we've got Thomas M. A big happy birthday to you. In year 6 Mrs. Jones' class, we've got Lily Rose, a Pembroyd hapus. In year 3 Mrs. Murray's class, we've got Sophia and Keelan. In year 5 Mrs. Evans' class, we've got Sienna and Cameron. Happy birthday to you. In year 2 Mrs. Jones' class, we've got Isaac. It's been your birthday, so happy birthday to you. In year 6 Miss Higgs' class, it's Kevin's birthday this week, so big happy birthday to you. In year 5 Mrs. Hayes' class, we've got Megan, Pembroyd hapus ET. And in year 2 Miss Colasanto's class, Madison M. It was your birthday last week. Now I'm told some of these birthdays are a little bit belated, they're a little bit late, but we're still going to sing happy birthday to you, even though it's a little bit late. So let's all sing together. Well, if you can't sing together because you're in school, maybe you can say happy birthday. See if you can say happy birthday without singing it. Let's all join in together. We've been learning outdoors more and more lately, and last Sunday was the International Day of Forests. Because we're trying to develop our outdoor areas, and particularly our parkland and woodland trail, this Monday a pair of qualified tree surgeons named Jim and Ben visited us. They came to our woodland area and helped us to fell and reuse an elm tree that we were told had Dutch elm disease and needed to be brought down. Some classes were even able to watch some of what they were doing from a very, very long way away. They lopped off branches from the tree trunk and then used those branches to make wood chippings, which we're going to put down in our woodland trail when it's put